Unit 4, End of Unit Retake, Calculator Inactive. Question 1. Maya biked 6 3/4 miles today, and Noah biked 4 1/2 miles. What fraction of Maya's bike ride was Noah's bike ride? A. 2/3 times as far. B. 3/2 times as far. C. 9/4 times as far. D. 243/8 times as far. Question 2. Select all equations that represent this question. Priya is stacking building blocks to make a tower. She takes a break when the tower is 3 3/4 feet tall, which is 3/5 of the height of the tower she wants to build. How tall is the tower when finished? A. 3/5 divided by 3 3/4 equals question mark. B. 3 3/4 divided by 3/5 equals question mark. C. 3/5 times question mark equals 3 3/4. D. 3 3/4 times 3/5 equals question mark. E. 3 3/4 times 5/3 equals question mark. F. 3 3/4 times question mark equals 3/5. Question 3. Select all statements that show correct reasoning for finding 13 divided by 3/7. A. Multiply 13 by 7, then multiply by 1/3. B. Multiply 13 by 7, then divide by 3. C. Multiply 13 by 1/7, then multiply by 3. D. Multiply 13 by 3, then divide by 7. Question 4. Divide. A. 3/5 divided by 1/4. B. 12/5 divided by 3/5. C. 5/9 divided by 3/18. D. 4 1/3 divided by 5/6. Question 5. Andrew draws this tape diagram for 3 1/2 divided by 3/4. Andre says that 3 1/2 divided by 3/4 equals 4 2/4 because there are 4 groups of 3/4 and 2/4 left. Do you agree with Andre? Explain your reasoning. Question 6. How many 1/4 inch cubes does it take to fill a box with width 1 1/4 inches, length 2 1/2 inches, and height 2 3/4 inches? Question 7. Lynn has 2 small baking pans, each shaped like a rectangular prism. For each question, explain or show your reasoning. A. Lynn lines the bottom of her first pan with aluminum foil. The area of the rectangular piece of foil is 12 1/4 square inches. Its length is 3 1/2 inches. What is the width of the foil? B. Lynn's second pan has a length of 9/4 inches, a width of 16/3 inches, and a height of 3/2 inches. What is the volume of the second pan?